If you really want to feel command line interface instead of GUI interface in your mobile, but if you don't have computer, laptop, then don't worry. Why? Because here is the video for you to feel the command line interface in your mobile. So how? With the termux application, you can access all the files, photos, audios and videos and many of the things like networking, emails and SMS, Google surfing, lot of things and lot of hacking tools also you can use it in your mobile without the root your mobile. So let's get started. Remember one thing, don't do any mistake to download from Play Store. If you download it from Play Store, after installation you can see many error it occurs. So if you don't want to face any problem, then this video is for you. To download the termux app is safe and secure. So how you can download it? So go to Google, open a new tab, type termux API, then enter. So termux API free open source Android app repository. Otherwise you can download, you can get the link from description box. I will provide in the description box this link. Here you can see lot of files are there. Download F-Droid, download APK 97 MB, download APK 81 MB. So these are all the versions. You can use any of the file depend on your operating system. So click on it. I already downloaded, that's why it's showing download again. So I don't want to download again. Just I'm going to my storage device. Here it's already installed. So for you, I now uninstall this application. So uninstall it. Okay. So now I will install it. Already it is downloaded from the link. So you can download from the link also. Now this application installed. Installation done. Now open it. So it's required allow termux to send you notification. Just allow it. Now at the first, when you are opening your termux application, just you have to write package update $& package upgrade /y, then enter. Depend on your internet connectivity, it will download all the packages required, all the required packages for this application. Now press Y. This needs some permission. You have to just give Y and press enter. Now it take little bit time depend on your internet connections. With this package installation you can do lot of things. Now just press enter. Every time when it is coming, this syntax will come out, then you have to just press enter, again enter, and then last time enter. Now you can see it is all the packages are installation done. Now if you want to check what are the problem it has, you can check through this syntax apt update & apt upgrade and enter it. So you can see your application are updated and upgrade also. So this your packages and all termux application already installed, and you can do lot of things, like you can access your storage device also with the command line interface instead of GUI, and you can feel your. So in the next video we will see the how to install any packages, how to see what are the packages already installed, the path of the packages. You already installed some packages, but you don't know what is the path of the package. So you can see what are the path, what are the packages are available for installation, and lot of things in networking site also. So see you next video.